Welcome inside the world's fastest onion factory and watch what happens next.
Can you believe this machine processes 500 tons daily?
Raw to finished in just minutes. Here's how. Too much moisture ruins everything. That's the hidden danger.
Every batch starts here at dawn.
Point out the arch the same to us the same. What piece of this machine do you think fails first?
Inside that silo sits the secret to speed.
Hold it, swing it left. Easy now. Coming left.
Now the real magic begins. See how much dirt comes off in just 90 seconds?
Moisture is the enemy of perfect peeling. What moisture level triggers a production halt?
Perfect moisture level achieved. Now for the speed.
How does the machine know which onions to reject?
Keep an eye on the flow rate over there.
That's right.
Looks good. Consistent speed.
Any metal contamination stops production immediately.
Why separate by density before peeling?
Over 500 tons sorted daily. Now watch the peeling begin.
What happens if a skin doesn't come off completely?
Slices must be within 2 millimeters for consistency.
Why freeze them before packaging?
The flow rate is steady now.
Good, let's keep monitoring the intake for the next few minutes.
Perfect slice is ready. Now for the final stage.
One tiny leak, and the product spoils.
Each package is tracked from factory to store.
All right, bring it back slowly. Right there, hold it steady. Now drop it easy.
From raw onions to perfectly sliced product, completed in 8 hours.
All right, bring it back. Watch your clearance. Straight back, easy now. And set the brake. Maximize that corner space. Don't crush the lower boxes. Copy that. Moving it in now.
How long can sliced onions stay fresh in transit?
We ensure they stay fresh for about 7 to 10 days by maintaining a consistent temperature.
Okay, looks correct. Everything is here.
Great. I'll confirm the delivery on the tablet now.
All right, you're clear. See you tomorrow.
Every surface passes sterility testing before tomorrow's run.
These yield statistics are unacceptable. Yeah,
We need to identify the root cause immediately.
I'm pulling the variance report now.
This increase in efficiency here confirms the new workflow is stabilizing the output.
I agree. I'll update the projections based on this trend.
How many cases are left on this pallet?
Just 10 more, then move to row 3.
From raw field harvest to your kitchen in just 72 hours, millions processed daily at insane speed.